Think you can solve this problem? Go ahead and give it a go. Jot your answer down there in the comments and let's see if you get it right. Most people might look at this and say 1/9 times 9, that would actually give us 9/9, or it would equal 1. Then we bring down the rest of the problem and we would say 81 divided by 1 is just 81. But if you did that, you're incorrect. Let's try this again. So the reason that most people miss this problem is because they don't understand the order of operations, or PEMDAS. This tells us the order that we solve the problem. But in this problem, all we have is multiplication and division, and they already have equal priority. But we have to remember, when they have equal priority, we have to move from left to right. So we can't start here, we need to start here. So our first problem that we need to do is solve 81 divided by 1/9. Now when we're dividing by a fraction, we also have to keep this in mind. Keep, change, flip. This tells us to keep the first number here, 81. We're going to change the the division to multiplication. And then we're going to flip the last fraction. So right now it's 1/9, but that would make it 9/1 or just 9. Now we need to multiply 81 by 9. This will give us 9 times 1 is 9. And then 9 times 8 gives us 72. 729 is that answer. We'll multiply that by 9 for our final answer today. And we have 9 times 9 giving us 81. So we'll bring the 1 here. We'll carry that 8. 9 times 2 gives us 18. Plus the 8 will give us 26. So 6 is here. We'll carry that 2. 9 times 7 is 63, plus the 2 is going to give us 65. It gives us a total of 6,561. The answer to our problem today, 6,561. Check those links below, pick up your very own math kit, solve these problems right at home with me.